Tesla is the most expensive name in Mag 7. It's got a forward PE of 76. It's getting more expensive next year than this year, by the way. Generally, you want to see a forward PE lower than the trailing PE. That means you have earnings growth. That's one. It's more expensive than Nvidia. Let me let that sink in for everyone. That should give you like a shudder. And Nvidia is growing faster, right? So it is benefiting from this negative momentum rally. That's what's happening. Apple and Tesla. So part of this is like a time horizon question. And look, it's up 7%. There's so much bearish news on Tesla that anyone that wanted to sell sold. So it capitulated, sellers were exhausted, and now it's rallying. But other people are getting back in now that are trying to momentum chase this thing higher. And those are weaker hands, by the way. They'll keep doing it. Even now, they'll keep, because it's about to break them. It could keep going. I'm speculating. I don't know. It could keep going. But the fundamentals around Tesla are deteriorating. They've got competition from Lucid and Rivian. By the way, great podcast to listen to. Masters in Business. Barry Ritholtz interviews the CEO of Lucid. Check it out. It was really interesting. I listened to it this weekend and I enjoyed that. By the way, that guy's voice is like one of the best voices ever. Like you could almost fall asleep to it or go into a deep meditative trance. If you ever have trouble sleeping, if you can do like an ASMR mashup of the Lucid CEO on that podcast, I think it might help you get to sleep at night. Humanoids are the bull case for Tesla, by the way. Humanoids. It's not the EVs. EVs are in a bear market. Pick a stock, any EV stock. It's in a bear market. Okay. We've got this counter trend rally that's underway, but the fundamental trend is bearish, and Tesla needs tariffs on China to compete because otherwise BYD, which is a Buffett-backed company, is going to ship EVs to the United States, $10,000 unit pricing.